Hello everybody. Today we are doing an unboxing.
Hey, Kaden, what's going on?
I'm cutting it from the box.
What
From
kind of
Iowa
box
Beard
are you?
Company.
From Iowa Beard Company?
Yep.
What is it?
It is a shirt.
Where's Iowa?
Oh. Iowa is right next to Illinois.
Ooh. Ah. It's the Hitchhiker.
It's scissors time.
Kaden, does this remind you of anything?
No.
Remember at the Haunted Mansion? That's who this is. It's one of the hitchhikers that comes home with you from the Haunted Mansion.
Wait, there was?
Yes. He was a ghost. And he followed you home.
I didn't notice that.
You didn't even watch the Haunted Mansion?
No, I was there when it was Jack Skellington and that.
Oh. This is the Hitchhiker. And he goes along with you on your trip. Kaden.
Yeah. Booga booga.
Kaden.
Yeah.
Kaden. Look what's got the Hitchhiker right next to you.
I know.
He's a ghost. He'll follow you home from the ride, from the Haunted Mansion.
I'm getting it. It's a
Hey,
ghost. Yes. It's a ghost. It's a ghost. Ooh.
Oh, it's more Hitchhiker.
It is. It is. Hitchhiker beard butter.
Yes, I got that. Ooh. Oh, that is nice smelling.
Smells good.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, now it's on.
Don't find on my cord. Oh,
Uh-oh, we got a...
I got a Keisha. Got the
What does the
baby.
kitty think of this?
What? Oh, my baby. Bye. She left.
Oh, she'll be back.
She left.
Ooh. Ah, what does it say?
It says, Hitchhiker, Iowa Beard Co. Hello, friends. We didn't know you'd be back so soon.
What do you think? Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh.
oh,
Oh.
She's gone. Actually, really good.
Let us smell this delightful Hitchhiker.
Very good.
Oh, that is really good.
Yes, it is.
Holy moly.
I give it an A+.
It's not like I was thinking. This is so wonderful. What does it say on the side bottle? Does it say like anything about the scents? Does it say anything what it is? Directions?
Ingredients.
Where are the ingredients? Does it have anything? It just says kind of fragrance oils and essential oils at the bottom.
Yeah.
We are gonna have to go look that one up for the review. That is so nice. It's definitely fall, huh? It smells like a fall scent.
Yep.
What are you gonna bang into that table?
Oh, no.
You just like every once in a while you just feel like you just gotta bang into the table.
I'm saying yes.
Ooh. Smell it again. Ooh, he smells it too. He's the hitchhiker along for the ride. Ooh.
And we got the young one, and we got the BB. Actually, don't want to drop that, so I'm put down.
Ooh, okay. Well, that's all we have for today. That was it.
Yep.
But we're really excited. I absolutely love this, and I think the artwork is so beautiful. And then you add the Iowa Beard Co. That smells just, yeah.
How do you think the cat would react to this?
Cat reaction. Ooh, let's get a cat reaction to the bubbles. Come on.
How does a cat?
Here she goes. What do you think?
What do you think?
You unbox that.
Oh, and she's gone.
Oh, what's she doing? She's gonna. What are you doing?
Looking at us.
Hi.
Hi.
Well.
Oh, she's gone. She's looking at the floor, and she's gone.
Looking.
Alrighty.
Well, I guess that's it.
And we got the business card.
Oh, we did get a business card.
Mm-hmm.
Why were you showing it to the microphone?
I don't know.
In case the microphone might look at you.
I don't know.
In case the microphone might actually see it.
In case the microphone has a hidden camera. Here you go.
Okay, Kaden, ready for one more time. What does the man? Where is this from?
The Haunted Mansion.
And it's that little ghost that goes along with you on your ride.
Well, actually, maybe I did see it. Wait, was it in the back of the seat?
Yes, it was a mirror you could see in the back.
Oh, I didn't look at the mirror.